Hello everybody, I'm Seth Weissman and welcome to another episode of Safe Real Estate. One of the things that we're starting to see are claims being brought against realtors and against sellers when they make routine repairs to a house in order to get it ready to list. And here's what I'm talking about. We are seeing some sellers paint their homes. A very normal thing. And as part of painting their house, they're repairing sheetrock cracks. And if there's an area where there might have been mold, let's say in the closet, they might clean it with bleach or clean it with some special chemical and then repaint it. And what's starting to happen is 6 months or a year later, what happens to a lot of the sheetrock cracks? And the answer is they reopen. And what we are seeing some buyers doing is saying that the seller and the listing agent conspired not to reveal a defect in the house. So what I'm actually recommending to listing agents is that you include a disclaimer in the purchase and sale agreement that in essence says that you've made normal types of repairs to the property prior to putting the property on the market for sale, including repairing sheetrock cracks, repainting, cleaning mold if there's any mold located in the house, and that as part of that process, sheetrock cracks and even some mold might reappear. And by making that type of disclosure, you really are preventing a claim from being asserted against you and your client. At the end of this video is a sample special disclosure that you might want to include, and I would encourage you to start using it. In any event, great to see everybody. Please continue to tune in. Bye now.